We are having a little family day. We are headed to the Mississippi State football game, and there's Mr. Down, he's driving, and the kids, the Declan and Autumn. So we're going to take you guys along with us. This is our very first college football game as a family that I don't think none of us have ever been to a college football game, so we're really excited. We made it parked. We're now heading to the shuttle that's going to take us into the stadium.
For your halftime entertainment, the Maroon Band opens the 2024 season with a Spanish chant in a rhythmic and jazz style.
Now we're going to go out to eat. It's a southern delicacy of Waffle House. We just got to our Airbnb and it's the cutest little cabin. It is so adorable. It has little pictures on the walls that are puzzles that they put together. So cute. All right, guys. So we are going to go to bed for the night. We had a great day and we will see you tomorrow.